Before installing your i-Snug infant carrier, please review your car seat instruction manual. Always remember to properly install the base on your vehicle seat before placing the infant carrier onto the base. The i-Base Advance can be used with the i-Snug infant carrier rearward facing for children from birth to 75 centimeters and less than 13 kilograms, which is approximately 12 months old. Ensure the rebound bar is removed from the base when used with the infant carrier. To install the i-Base Advance, press the ISOFIX release button and extend the ISOFIX connectors. Align the ISOFIX connectors with the vehicle ISOFIX points, then click the connectors straight onto the ISOFIX points. There should be an audible click, and the ISOFIX indicators should be green, indicating proper placement. Double-check that the base is securely installed by pulling on both ISOFIX connectors. Press the ISOFIX adjustment buttons and push the base flush against the vehicle seat. Extend the load leg to the floor, ensuring there is no gap between the base and the vehicle seat. The load leg indicator should turn green, indicating proper placement. Before attaching the infant carrier, adjust the recline to the 7th position for ease of install. Place the infant carrier rearward onto the base. Pull up on the handle to ensure it is securely latched onto the base. Double-check that the infant restraint indicator is green, indicating a secure connection. Place the child in the seat. Pull the shoulder harnesses over the child's shoulders, then click the buckle. Pull the shoulder harness adjustment strap to tighten the harness, ensuring the child is secure. To release the infant carrier from the base, press the seat release button and pull up on the carrier. The i-Snug can be used rearward facing for children from birth to less than 13 kilograms, which is approximately 12 months old. For installation without a base, ensure the vehicle is equipped with a 3-point retractor safety belt. Place the infant carrier onto the vehicle seat. Pull the vehicle belt out and engage the buckle. Slide the vehicle lap belt into the side guides of the infant carrier. Then, slide the shoulder belt through the blue guide on the back of the infant carrier. Pull the vehicle shoulder belt to fasten the infant carrier securely. Pull and tension the belt as much as possible, checking that there are no twists or slack in the belt. For more details, please review your car seat instruction manual or visit www.joybaby.com.